now we would like to explain clearly to the IMF that if you will be giving the money to the dictatorial regime of Sassou, it will be a birthday cake that you'll be buying for Sassou Nguesso regime. And the people of Congo, at least 92% of the people who did not vote for Sassou Nguesso are very clear. If you give the money to Sassou Nguesso, the people of Congo will not recognize it, because in 2010 you have given a big relief to the same regime. Now we are on the same point. So we went to a cycle, we came back to the same point. That's why we are saying no financial bailout to the same system, the same people, the same regime. We know that the Congo Brazzaville will be needing IMF support, but we will want to have it with the right people in power, the right team in power that will be bringing back the democracy, that will be bringing back the transparency that everyone is looking for, and that will be bringing back the government that everybody is asking for, that will be bringing a peace to the Congo, and also bringing the trust inside the people of Congo Brazzaville. So we are very clear, the people of Congo are saying louder that you have to know that don't come to us after 5 years and telling us that you were not aware of what is happening. You are aware now. The people of Congo are saying that you are aware, and the civil society are saying that we don't want to bail out the same regime. Let's focus, concentrate our energy to kick out of power the same regime that did not bring the right economy, but the only thing they have done is stealing money, money laundering, and placing the country money to a paradise country, and stealing, putting the repression and killing the people, destroying the rules of law in Congo Brazzaville. So let's concentrate our energy to kick that people quickly out of power. And that's why we are saying to the French people, we know that why we're saying it to the French people, because it's a much closer friend relationship that we have in Congo Brazzaville in that economy. That's why we are asking to the French people, let's come back to the table and discuss and see how we'll be running the Congo, how will be, if you would like to protect your interests, this is the time to negotiate how to protect your interests. The people of Congo are very clear. Let's focus to kick after power. These people have bring that country in kind of apocalypse economic, in a kind of bankruptcy. The people who doesn't have a mind, a set in mind, the only thing they know is stealing money, is destroying the people, is killing the people. We would like to see peace in the country, the new team that will be able to build school, to build hospital, and bring people back to work. That's what the type of people we want to have. The people who are promoted a democracy, the people who are promoted a good economy, the people who will be able to bring back some investor that also want to come to make some money in Congo. We know that investors want to make money, and everybody want to be in a good shape of doing business. You know that you cannot do that business with the same regime, and that's why we are very direct and we are very intense on that. Let's kick out of power Sassou Nguesso, and let's bring that guy to the justice, and so the justice can take care of him, because that guy has created a lot of crime, blood crime, economical crime, and we have to judge that guy clearly. Well, and that was a big message to the people of IMF, and our friendship toward the war. The friend of Congo are supporting the Congo toward this battle against the most brutal regime, the most criminal regime, the most dictatorial regime in Congo Brazzaville.